Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth media to your RNS-E head unit. So, this is what the RNS-E unit looks like. It was fitted to a lot of older Audis as a factory option, but also found its way to Seat Exeos and Lamborghini Gallardos. Now, it's 2021 and it's near impossible to find a phone with a physical jack output. So I bought myself this dongle on eBay for a $5 to listen to music over Bluetooth, but as you can see, it is a huge cable management mess. So I've got a much cleaner looking solution. Let's just get rid of all of that. This is a Bluetooth module specifically created for the RNS-E. It plugs in very neatly in the back, and it also has a jack for the hands-free microphone, which also came in the kit. So let's start by removing the head unit. Now for this job you will need 4 of these special key tools to remove the head unit from your car, so make sure you order some of these off eBay or Amazon. Now, be very, very careful when taking the navigator out, because there's a ton of cables that you have to disconnect in the back. Now, and to power our Bluetooth module, we're going to use D13, which is the pin that corresponds to switched 12 volt power for the amplifier. And if we take a look at our connector, it's this pink guy right here. And for our ground, we are going to use a D12, which is the corner pin right here. It's a thick brown wire. Now, and the reason why we're using this wire and not just any plus 12 volt signal is because this goes out the moment the car is switched off, and we don't want our Bluetooth to stay on forever and drain our battery. So let's get working. Now, let's take the main connector, plug it in, power up the head unit, and see if we get any signs of the Bluetooth on my beater smartphone. And as you can see, there it is. Try to connect it, and it pairs perfectly. Now, since that's working, I think the next step would be to think about how we're going to run our microphone. And the way I'm thinking is mount it here, run it down the A-pillar, near the pedals, and find a gap here to feed the microphone into the jack of the adapter, which is going to be hidden in the head unit bay. And so after being tucked away, as you can see, this cable is completely invisible. Now we'll connect them up and begin the reassembly process. So with everything connected up, let's go ahead and test the sound system. And so as you can see, everything is working perfectly. And all of this for under 20 quid. So I think this project was a great success. So guys, this is going to conclude our video for today. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and learned something new. Please consider subscribing to help me grow and bring you more content like this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And as always, thanks and have a good one.